Guys, I've been waiting so long for this. Like, it's been too long. I've been waiting for this sweater to get here. I know I'm already telling you guys what it is, but you guys already should know by the title and by the thumbnail. So yeah, let's get into the video. I've been waiting so long for this because, like, first it said, oh, it's gonna be here by a week after I ordered it, and then next thing you know, Kanye and Adidas happened, and then Gap put out a statement that they're not gonna sell Yeezy stuff anymore. So that happened, and then my order got delayed. So yeah. All right, so let's get into the video. Is this the original packaging? I don't remember seeing YouTube, like I've seen YouTube videos of people unboxing it, and I don't remember it being in this type of like popcorn type of like bag. Guys, I feel like I'm getting more comfortable with like talking on camera, so this is like cool. Like I'm more chill about it, and like it's much more easier to like put out content, and then I don't mess up as much when I'm talking, so it's pretty cool. So I appreciate you guys like leaving comments down below because it makes my day, honestly. All right, it better be the right color. I'm gonna be so mad. Oh, I feel soft. I like it. Ooh. Okay, cool. First impressions, first impressions. Looks nice. Kind of like the little like paper cardboard type of stuff, like stayed on the, as you can see, yeah, you can see it on here. You see that little material stuff? Kind of stayed because it kind of stuck on there because of the paper bag, but I mean, it's fine. Damn, this thing is like, it's kind of like heavy. All right, I'm gonna take off my glasses actually. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Oh, this is nice. This is a size small. I think this is too small. I don't know. I'm gonna try it on already. Oh, I think I got the perfect size. I think this is how it's supposed to fit. All right, let me fix this for you guys. All right, I had to fix my camera because I wanted it to actually look good. But I think this is how it's supposed to actually fit. Whoa, this looks cool. I like this. I like it a lot. Sorry if I'm looking over there. It's because that's where like I can see myself. But dang, this actually, I've seen people wear it like this, which I'm probably not a fan of. Like this looks weird. I look like I'm wearing a dress, but it's a perfect size. I like it. Get this out of the way. But yeah, this looks good. Dang, this is nice. I should have ordered. It's really nice. I should have ordered another color, honestly. But yeah, guys, let me know what you guys think about the hoodie. So what? Is this hoodie sick or nah? Come on now. Come on. It's a pretty dope color. I wish I would have gone like another color just to have it. But I mean, it's fine. I'm not really trying to have like multiple pieces of the same thing. This is a size small, by the way. I'm 5'2", 5'3" on a good day, by the way. But yeah, I just want people to like, you know, maybe there's some short males or like some females that are like my size, you know, they want to see how these sweaters fit. But yeah, if you want to go like on StockX or something, they have these, but they're overcharging. I think they're overcharging. I don't know, because I got mine for $60 because they were on sale before like the whole YEEZY Gap thing, and then they're originally like $90. So and on StockX, I think they are like $90 or $100. I'm not really sure, but definitely, if you're looking for one of these sweaters, I definitely say cop it. I'm originally a medium in most clothes, so for me to buy a small is kind of like weird. But I figured that Yeezy and like his whole style, he likes oversized, so I figured I might as well get a small just in case it's too big or something. But yeah, this came out perfect. I really like this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys ended up buying one of these, or let me know if you guys didn't get a chance because, like I said, the YEEZY Gap thing, they instantly shut down the whole website. So I know, I'm sorry guys, if you guys didn't have a chance to buy one of these, I'm sorry. I know it's like a quick review, but that's what I like to do. I like to just, you know, just chill, make these little videos just for you guys, just so you guys can see them in hand or like see how they look. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Make sure to turn on my post notifications because I'm going to be dropping some heat later. But I'll see you guys later and have a good day. Bye guys.